Hello guys, welcome to another video of international queries. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you around my house so that you can get an idea how do off-campus houses in Canada look like. So guys, let's begin with the video without wasting any time. So guys, this is the house in which I am living in right now. Most of the houses in Canada will look like this, and that's their structure. Now guys, if you will notice that the weather is pretty good today, but few days ago it was snowing in the month of June, so always bring warm clothes with you because you will not know when it's gonna snow over here. Anyways guys, let's move now inside of the house so that I can show you how it looks from inside. So guys, now we are in the corridor which connects living room and kitchen. First let's go to the living room. Now guys, while I was searching for houses in summers, I found that most of the houses had living rooms in them, and the size was almost this much. Some were a bit smaller than this, but most of the houses had living rooms. Now guys, you know that you can call your friends in the living room, and living room is common for all the tenants who are living in the house. So guys, let's move towards the kitchen now. Now guys, if you remember, I talked in my previous video about the renovated houses. So guys, whatever you can see is provided by the owner of this house, and I did not buy anything. This is the benefit or the profit of going to renovated houses, because you won't have to buy anything. You can get all the stuffs from the owner of the house, even the utensils. Now guys, this is where you will cook your food. It's pretty common in Canada, and you're going to get this in every house wherever you go to. So guys, another thing, that this house is only one kitchen, which is common for all the tenants. Now guys, let's move upstairs so that I can show you my room, one other room, and the washroom. So guys, this is my room. Now guys, this room is considered a normal sized room. It is not big, it is not small. If you want to know what's the cost of this room, please click on the eye icon. I have talked about the details of the cost of staying off campus in my previous video. So guys, you can see that you will get table, chair, bed, closets, and many different types of things in renovated houses, and it's pretty decent size as well. Now guys, let's move on to the next room. Now this room has not been taken by anyone till now, but I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but this room guys is bigger than the room which I showed you, or my room. And I talked to the owner of the house. He was asking for around $550 for 1 month. Now guys, it is possible that owners may ask for different prices for different rooms in the same house. So guys, if you're going to any house where the size of the room is very small and the owner is asking for a high price, you can always ask him to lower the price, as it will really benefit you. Now guys, this is the washroom, and it's pretty small but still a decent size. Now guys, in all the houses in Canada, you're going to get a bathtub and the shower. So guys, I would like to say that this is a common house for students in Canada. It is possible that you will get a better house than this in $450 or even more. So guys, in my next videos, I'm going to talk about many different types of important things which will be really helpful for you and will help ease the process of studying abroad as an international student. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.